was 100 single traffic light with the yellow color, and 2 C-shaped brackets, and 1 piece use manual, and 2 piece tool for installation, and spanner and Allen wrench. Okay. Our engineer will demonstrate how to install the bracket. First, please take off the screw of first side and insert screws on the top of the traffic light. Add a nut and fix it. And turn off the board. Using the Allen wrench to fix the list of 4 sides. Okay, the bracket is so well. Place the insert screw on the light port and add a nut and fasten it. And the second hole also add a screw. And adding nut and fix it. Okay, the first bracket is so well. It's better use the spanner fix it. Okay, the first bracket is so well. Next, you can install the second bracket. And first, please insert the traverse single line wire through the bracket. Next, and the traverse single line wire also goes through the bottom of the traffic light. And the adding nut and fix it. And adding the screw on the line port for the second bracket. And the second hole also added. Adding nut and fix it. Use the spanner, fasten it, and more stronger. Okay. Okay, please wiring the traverse single line well. Connect to the traverse single line terminal. The brown lines connect with the public line. Okay, connect these 2 wires just okay. And use the Allen wrench to fix the 4-piece screw. Then the one complete set is so well. And the traverse single line connect with the power supply already, and just turn off switch and traffic light on, and indicate that your install is right, and turn off traffic light off. Okay.